Hello friends. If you're here, it's because you want to learn to crochet. So welcome. Today we're going to learn how to do the single crochet stitch. It's a basic stitch that you can use for all kinds of projects. You can use a ombre yarn like this sample and make a blanket, or you can use a cotton yarn and make a dishcloth. Grab your hook and some yarn and let's crochet. Hello. To begin, we need a slip knot. We're going to make a loop like this, bring the yarn up through and pull it. There's your slip knot. Let's do that again. A loop, bring your yarn up through, pull tight. There's your slip knot. Put that on your hook, and then we're going to chain. The chains determine how big you're going to make your project. If you're making a dishcloth, you're going to chain just a few. If you're making a blanket, you're going to chain a whole bunch. So you'll just make it whatever length of the project that you're making. So underneath this yarn and pull through. Underneath and pull through. And you're just going to make as many chains as you want your project length to be. So for today, we're just going to make a small sample. So once you've reached the end of how long you want your chain to be, you're going to start your single crochets. So the one on the hook, you're not going to mess with. This one right next to the hook, you're not going to go into. You're going to start in this one. So it's the second one from the hook. 1, 2. And you're just going to take this one yarn here, and then underneath this yarn and pull through, underneath the yarn and pull through both. And then the next stitch is right here. So you can see a little V here. You're going to go into this one. Underneath the yarn, pull through. Underneath the yarn, pull through. Now your last stitch, you're not going to want where this knot is, so this is your last stitch. And then you're going to chain one, and then just turn it over and go the other direction. Now on your second row, you're going to, if you look to the side, you're going to see all those little V's that go along the side. You're going to put your hook through both of these yarns, the front one and the back one. And then pull your yarn through and pull it through again. And then through these two, pull your yarn through and again. Then when you get to the end, grab both those yarns, and then you're going to chain one and turn it around again. And then you're going to start right here in this one, underneath the 2. And you just keep going like that until you've finished your project. So once you've gotten your piece to the size that you want and you're all finished, here's a good way to just finish off the piece. And you're going to just go through as if you were going to do a single crochet, but then just pull through both yarns. That's a slip stitch. And if you just go through and along this whole edge, do slip stitches to finish off your piece, just like this. Later on, as you learn, you can put a ruffle on it or a nice border, but for now, this is a perfect way to finish. And then you just cut your yarn, pull your tail, and you've got your finished edge to whatever it is that you made. Thank you for joining me today. And if you'd like to learn more in future videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.